Welcome back to Vertex 10. My name is Pihika and today I'm going to share 10 new English words along with sentence, synonyms and antonyms. These words are related to money and finance. So let's get started. The first word is budget. Sentence: creating a monthly budget helps you manage your money wisely. Synonyms: plan, allowance. Antonyms: overspending, waste. The next word is purchase. Sentence: I made a large purchase at the electronics store yesterday. Synonyms: buy, acquire. Antonyms: sell, return. The next word is expense. Sentence: rent is my biggest monthly expense. Synonyms: cost, charge. Antonyms: income, profit. The next word is savings. Sentence: she put part of her salary into her savings account. Synonyms: reserve, fund. Antonyms: debt, spending. The next word is invest. Sentence: many people invest in stocks to grow their wealth. Synonyms: fund, finance. Antonyms: withdraw, spend. The next word is currency. Sentence: the dollar is an official currency of the United States. Synonyms: money, cash. Antonyms: barter, trade. The next word is afford. Sentence: I can't afford to buy a new car right now. Synonyms: pay for, manage. Antonyms: lack, want. The next word is deposit. Sentence: please deposit the check into your bank account. Synonyms: place, store. Antonyms: withdraw, remove. The next word is transaction. Sentence: every transaction is recorded in a bank statement. Synonyms: deal, exchange. Antonyms: cancellation, void. The next word is profit. Sentence: the company made a large profit this quarter. Synonyms: gain, earnings. Antonyms: loss, deficit. Thank you for learning. You have learned 10 powerful words today. Tip word of the day: budget. Your challenge: share one money saving tip using today's words. Also try using these words in your daily conversation. That's the best way to remember them. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more daily English lessons. See you tomorrow with 10 more interesting words. Also try making new sentences with these words and share in the comment. Bye-bye.